guys. Oh yeah, here's the ice cream truck, Heidi. What would you like to get? Do you want blue ice cream, Zack? Yeah, okay.
I would like a crybaby.
Okay, crybaby ice cream. What about you? What would you like?
A small vanilla ice cream.
A small vanilla ice cream. Sounds good. This is the ice cream truck. Okay guys, you wanna come and order? Oh, Zidane have his own money.
The white cup.
Nice. Okay, go. Hi. What would you like, Zidane?
Can I have a small vanilla ice cream dipped in caramel? Actually, blueberry.
Awesome. Blueberry ice cream for Zidane. What about Heidi? A crybaby ice cream. This is the crybaby ice cream. Go, Heidi. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
What about you, Zack?
Blue.
Blue? Okay. This one? Blue? Good boy. What a cool ice cream truck. Yummy, yummy. In Zack's tummy. Here we go. How much?
It's $9.
$9?
$9.50, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I got it. That's fine, Zidane. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So Zidane got... Oh, this is your money. Okay. Zidane got blueberry ice cream. How does it taste? Good? Wow, Zack. Your blueberry ice cream looks so good. And this is a crybaby?
Yeah, this is so sour.
Yeah? Awesome. Sour? Look at Heidi's here. If you guys do like the ice cream truck, don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you like to get from there. Bye, ice cream truck. Say bye, ice cream truck. Bye, ice cream truck. Bye. What? This is not your dinner. Did you already get your dinner?
No.
Did you have your dinner? Yes, you already. First, we eat our food and then ice cream. Right, Heidi?
And healthy always first.
Yes. Healthy always first. Good job, Zidane. Do you like your ice cream?
No.
I think I like Zack's ice cream the most. It's so yummy. And Zidane's ice cream. Guys, let me know if you would like Heidi's ice cream
It's so sour.
or Zidane's ice cream. Yeah? Okay. We came to the end of the video. It's time to say bye, guys.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big
Thumbs up.
like, share, subscribe. Bye, love you. Mwah. I need my ice cream underwater.
Oh, no!
I wash it.
I think you should go get a spoon from inside, okay? Better, right? To make sure it's totally no germs, right? Right? Okay, good. Say bye.
Bye, go. Be a
Good job, Zack. You're great.